So I know it's been a while since we covered this truck on this channel, and I just wanted to give you guys a little update on my plans for the truck. I'm not sure if I still want to keep it. It's still probably one of my favorite trucks that I've ever owned, and while I've done some pretty amazing upgrades to this truck, I just think it might be time to move on. But I wanted to get your opinion. Do you guys think I should sell this, or do you think I should just hold on to it? It actually has, I think, only around 40,000 miles, maybe 35 to 40,000 miles, and it's a 2016, and it's still in immaculate shape. It's probably one of those trucks that you could probably keep for a long time. I love having trucks just because you can throw anything in the back and just hit the road. So I'm just trying to decide if I should maybe upgrade to something else, maybe get something with a few more upgrades in the interior, or maybe just hold on to this one. Now, if you guys have seen my truck from the very beginning, you guys saw what it looked like when I purchased it, and then you guys have seen all the upgrades I've done to it. So we are about $6,000, probably a little bit more or less, just with the mods, saying like the tires, the headlights, the grille, the suspension, interior. We have leather interior, floor mats, sound system. We did put a lot of really good upgrades into this truck, and that's why selling it kind of scares me a little, but I don't know if it's almost time. I do have a few more upgrades to add. I do want to replace the Anzo headlights in case I do decide to sell it. At least the next owner will have them, and I am working with Anzo USA, and we're working on getting the headlights taken care of. Now, I did get some really cool fog lights that I'm gonna install, and I'll have a video on this channel soon. I've been having them for a while, and I kind of feel bad that I haven't installed them yet. I just got caught up with a lot of things with the real world job, but we should have those in, and I think you guys are gonna like those. There's some new fog lights that fit the 2016, 2017, 2018, I believe, but I'll have that full details on that once I put those in. So I should have those in hopefully in the next week or so, and then you guys should see that on the channel. But yeah, that's pretty much the only updates. I want to get the Anzo headlights replaced. I probably got to get new tires. My tires are about to are at that point, and really just I think that's the last thing we're gonna do are those fog lights. So once we get those in, I'll do a video for that, and then it's really decide if I want to keep it or sell it. You guys let me know. But we'll wrap it up here, and I'll see you guys in the next one.